I have an exciting secret to share with you today. Did you know that there's an AI prompt that can create children's book content in seconds? Just copy, paste, and boom. You've just made a fun, exciting, and educational kids book in seconds. And the best part, totally free. You've now got a book ready to go. Now, I've only shared this prompt with only 2 people so far, and their results have been nothing short of epic. I'm talking mind-blowing results, and all books made using free AI tools. Hi, I'm Craig Crawford, the creator of this super prompt that we like to call the 6-figure super prompt. Why? Well, because in just over 5 months, we've generated $164,718.60. Yes, you heard that right. Let me tell you a little more about this. This isn't just any prompt. This is a game changer. It's taken Andreas Quintana's book releases to just over $27,000 and Aim Lance's book creations to over $44,000, both within just a week. Now, let me reveal something incredible to you. For a limited time, you can access this powerful AI prompt for just $9.95. With this prompt, you'll discover how to create and sell children's books that generate consistent daily income. And guess what? You don't need any writing experience at all. The prompt guides you step by step. Imagine being able to create books on any topic for any age group effortlessly. You'll be using free AI tools and your favorite content creation services, if you need them, to produce high quality books. And the success stories, they speak for themselves. Andreas made over $27,000 in just 5 days and Aim Lance over $44,000. Do you want to create captivating children's books? Well, this prompt is your key. Picture this. Endless engaging children's stories that not only captivate young minds but also bring in over $1,200 a day on average for us. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that we live every single day. We're here to share the secret formula that's changed our lives. For a limited time, you can get this powerful AI prompt for just $9.95. Yes, you heard me correctly. And you won't need any expensive tools or services. You can create these books, like I said, using free to use AI tools. We do this every day and get phenomenal results, and so can you. But wait, there's more. When you access this prompt, you'll also get some fantastic bonuses that will help to springboard your success. Bonus number 1, the AI enhancement training. This training will enhance the value of your book and help you create even better, more sellable books. We're diving into the realm of additional book enhancing assets such as quizzes, mazes, and more. And guess what? We're even providing you some of these assets too. Bonus number 2, live training on how to use your prompts, gain valuable insights and information on how to maximize AI's potential with these prompts. Now, this session will be fun, interactive, and packed with actionable content. Bonus number 3, which I adore, the snowball effect live training. By mastering the snowball effect, you can build a sustainable recurring income stream. Now, this live training will show you how to continuously engage your audience, increase customer loyalty, and ensure a steady flow of income. This is something I've never shared before either, and it should excite you. I'm the master of recurring revenue, and I'll be teaching you more on how I bank multiple 6 figures per year every single year. Bonus number 4, 500 top hot book topics. This invaluable research will guide you in choosing the most popular and lucrative genres, ensuring your stories captivate and sell. There's more, but I don't want to ruin the surprise inside the members area when you gain access. But just so you know, you're getting hundreds of dollars of bonuses, all aligned to help you get the most from this super prompt. Books have been around for centuries and they're not going anywhere. They'll only adapt. Isn't it time you did too? Get this for less than you spend on a coffee and a sandwich today. And let me tell you a little story. 10 years ago, I mentored Andreas Quintana in product creation. He transformed his life, going from struggling to make ends meet to earning over $10,000 per month. Now he's living his dream life with his beautiful family over in Mexico. Recently, we just launched a book series, like I mentioned, using this 1K a day prompt that I like to call it, and made over $27,113.70 in just 5 days. You don't need any prior knowledge of writing or book publishing. You don't need to invest in expensive tools or hire professionals. You don't need marketing expertise to sell books on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and more. And you don't need to spend hours writing and researching content. This prompt makes it all possible. Let me guide you to success. And here's how it works. Grab access to the prompt. Use the prompt to create your books and then launch your own books in no time. No, I've never seen anything like this online before. It's simple, powerful, and works for any topic and any age group. Whether you're passionate about science, history, geography, math, or even biblical tales and more, this prompt will help you create engaging and educational stories that children, parents, and schools and publishers will love. We produced dozens and dozens and dozens of books with this and made over $160,000, and you can do it too when you apply yourself. So, why is this six-figure super prompt so effective? Well, firstly, it's the ease of its use. Even if you've never made a book before, this prompt will guide you step by step. It's a fill-in-the-blanks, easy-to-use prompt that I've designed for myself and for my team. Thousands of customers use our content every single day now. Happy customers who love what we create and share. This prompt works for any age group and any topic, like I say. The potential is unlimited. You can create books, packages, and products that you can sell repeatedly. Each story is designed to be both entertaining and informative, fostering a love for learning in children. Imagine tapping into this ever-growing market and securing your financial future. Don't miss out on this opportunity, because for only $9.95 you can get the secret formula that has never been shared before until now. So join us now and let's start creating books that captivate young minds and secure your financial independence. The 1K per day book creator formula, as I like to call it, is your golden ticket to success in the lucrative world of children's book publishing. Act now before this exclusive opportunity just slips away. Access this six-figure super prompt and start your journey to that financial freedom right now. Click the buy button below and you'll be inside the members area in minutes, making books in seconds and working towards a real business selling real books to real people. This is highly affordable to help everyone, but it won't be online forever, so act fast.